What is your understanding of evolution?
Based on my understanding, evolution is the theory that changes in something occur from generations to generations in species, and the main reason for these changes is to increase their chance of survival. And as I still remember, evolution is based on the natural selection. That means the species with better ability to the environment will have a higher chance for survival.
Then how did you develop knowledge on evolution?
Actually, I have acquired my knowledge on evolution during my secondary education. And to be specific, the first time that I heard of evolution was during my biology lesson in Form 3.
And what have you learned about evolution in secondary school education?
As I have learned, evolution is based on natural selection, and because of this selection, genes of an organism can be passed to the next generation, and hence the species with better ability to the environment are probable to survival, and therefore these species can reproduce and causes population growth. As there was not enough time during the lessons to know more about evolution, I have started to watch some documentary program related to evolution on TV in my spare times. In fact, as my secondary school has a religion background, we seldom have a discussion on evolution, as the teacher want to deliver a message that everything is created by the God. That means creationism.
Among these two theories, evolution and creationism, what do you think of the origin of life?
From a point of view, I think life begins from very simple things in biological views, the cell. As time passes on, this simple thing can grow to be more complex due to the mutation and other factors, and this led to the population growth with different species in the environment, and therefore I think the origin of life can be supported by evolution.
What caused you make this choice rather than the others?
In my opinion, I think life should occur continuously from simple things that enhance to become more and more complex, and also it is evident and based as some fossil fuels are being found in some places. However, concerning to creationism, from my point of view, life cannot happen by all sudden, and that means it cannot be just created by someone in a night or a short period of time.
From your point of view, how do schools with religion backgrounds affect the discussion on evolution?
And for me, as I have mentioned, my secondary school has a religion background, and instead of having a discussion on evolution, we have a short debate on the existence of evolution during our area lessons. The main reason is that the topic of evolution might be too sensitive. That's why some of my teachers were not so willing to have a long and deep discussion on evolution.
Finally, in your opinion, what are the roles the schools with religion background needed to play in deliberating the theory of evolution?
I think The schools with religion background should strike a balance between creationism and evolution, as it can provide adequate information for students to make informed decisions about this controversial issue, instead of spending most of time on implanting the concept of creationism to students, as it can allow students to seek more knowledge or allow them to think logically.
Oh, thank you for your participation of this interview.